hello viewers, now I will be show when you will be turn on your computer, then your computer will be say your name. So now let's start that how is it possible. First of all, open your notepad application, new text document, and open this document and type this command. These commands are available in this video's description. First bracket to last bracket, type your name. This mark area, type your name and save file, save as desktop and type welcome dot vbs and save, then close exit file. Welcome. Secondly, open your computer, run commands, Windows key and press R and type shell clone startup, SHELL clone startup, STARTUP, shell startup and click OK. And your file that you created, this file move here and close and turn off your computer, shut down. When you will be turn on your computer, then your computer will be say your name. So thank you.